Hey there, it's Brian Gormley again with another edition of Where in Greater DC. We are filming in a very sort of central, somewhat popular granola location today. We'll do a pan out in a few minutes. But in the meantime, I wanted to introduce you to a special guest. It's a credit maintenance individual, Chris King. He's right over there.
Yes, hello. How's everyone?
All right, and we'll get to him in a second. But same rules as usually apply for this contest. Email your guests of where we're filming to support@cornerstonepropertieshomeinfo.com. That's support@cornerstonepropertieshomeinfo.com. So certainly credit is one of the big three sort of concerns that most homeowners have when doing a short sale. And so we thought it would be fantastic to go to the source and talk to a local expert about this issue. So before we get into the specific ramifications of a short sale on your credit report, let's ask just a very basic general question of King over here, and that is, if I'm a homeowner and I just want to check out my credit report, my credit score, how do I go about doing that, especially if I can do it for free?
Okay, well, you can obviously obtain a free copy of your credit report. According to the Federal Credit Reporting Act, each American is entitled to one copy of their credit report per year from each bureau. And there's three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So you can go to their websites, or you can go to annualcreditreport.com and obtain a free copy, or what's called a tri-merge, which is a merge of all three credit reporting bureaus into one report from annualcreditreport.com.
Okay, Chris, and how about the credit score? What if I go to creditkarma.com? I heard that was a free place to get a good credit score.
Well, actually, that is a good place to get a free credit score. However, there are several different credit scores. For example, what you will receive from Credit Karma is a consumer credit score, which more likely would fall under the Advantage credit scoring system. And depending on what your needs or what you're looking to get a credit score for, there's different credit scores per industry. For example, there's an auto industry credit score if you want to apply for auto loan. There's a mortgage industry credit score if you want to apply for a mortgage loan. And you can't receive those from Credit Karma, or you can't receive those from anywhere other than the practitioner of that industry. And credit scores actually cost money. So either you have to pay for that credit score, or the person who's running your credit score, either the lender or the dealer who's running your credit report, would actually have to pay for that credit score.
Okay, I gotcha. Okay, so how about the credit impact to a homeowner of doing a short sale? What typically do you see folks incur as a credit score hit, or is even there a credit score hit if someone wants to stay current on their loan and they can convince the lender to go ahead and approve a short sale?
Yes. That's actually a good question. One of the big misconceptions is people believe that if they do a short sale, that would actually help their credit. Not necessarily so. It all comes down to how the short sale is negotiated. Because according to the FICO credit scoring model, there is no section or reference for a short sale. It can either be a foreclosure, or it could be a 90 or 120 days late. So depending on how the lender reports that to the credit bureau, it's going to affect the FICO credit score by anywhere from 75 to 125 points. And that difference is depending on how the other credit profile already looks: number of late payments, number of outstanding debts. So initially what you want to do is have the short sale consultant, or whoever's ever negotiating a short sale, make sure they negotiate getting settled as agreed on as reporting to the credit bureau.
Okay, so settled as agreed. Let's say I'm a homeowner who's done a short sale and it's already settled, and now I didn't get that favorable credit reporting. Is there anything that I can do at this point?
Yes, what you can do now. Every American citizen is entitled under the Fair Credit Reporting Act to having everything that's reported on their credit reports to be 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, or not outdated information, which, with the exception of bankruptcies, that's 7 years for most financial transactions. So utilizing that, what you can do is you can write a letter, and I would definitely advocate writing a letter to each one of the three major credit bureaus, and you want to look at and make sure that everything reported about that short sale is either accurate and verifiable. So if it's not, then you can work to get that removed from your credit report, which would then help your credit score. But if it is reported accurate and it's reported verifiable as far as the settlement date, date open, date close, payment history, if all those things are accurate, then the only thing you can do at that point is just have time pass by and hope the lender, when you do your dispute, doesn't try to challenge your dispute or verify your dispute.
Okay, good information. And so it sounds like the onus then is on the short sale negotiator to upfront negotiate the reporting. Is there anything in particular that negotiators should be on the lookout for if the homeowner is current? Anything specifically in the federal laws that we can bank on to say, hey, look, these folks are current. It shouldn't be a 90 or 120 day late. You should be reporting as settled as agreed or something like that.
Yes, I would say that it will have to go back to looking at the original loan documents to make sure that it wasn't a predatory or a subprime mortgage where the homeowner was taken advantage of. And you can show a history that the homeowner was current on the other bills before. For example, if it was the arm reset and adjust, or if in fact it was a hardship, and document the hardship as being a hardship that was related to either a strong medical situation or the fact that it's related to, again, excessive mortgage practice, then you can look at that to negotiate that within the short sale to say, here's a case that the homeowner was taken advantage of. All we're asking after the short sale is taking place is that you report favorably on my client's credit report, settle as agreed, and that needs to be part of the short sale negotiation. So the short sale negotiation should really look at doing a thorough investigation of how the loan was originated, the payment history of all the reports that's on the credit report, and make sure that date open, account balance, all those things are accurate. And if they're not, then you can use those as leverage to possibly negotiate a favorable report on the credit report.
Good stuff. Good stuff. So King, tell everyone what sort of services you provide to folks and how they can get in touch with you if they've got additional questions or comments or just want to chat.
Sure. First, I'd like to say that at Realty Resolution Services, our firm belief is that information is free. And we believe in providing information to clients or to help any individual who wants to, number one, improve their credit and get a better understanding of their credit and how to read and manage their credit reports effectively. Number two, become bad debt free. So we provide a financial freedom education program and services. You can contact us by going to our website at www.rrshelps.com, or you can email us at info@rrscredit.com, or finally you can actually call at 202-709-9325.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, King. And everyone, don't forget, send your guesses, support at Cornerstone Properties, homeinfo.com. Check us out. Blog is www.capitalshortsale.com, or we're very active on Facebook as well. So I'll catch everyone on next video.